Can you blow soap bubbles through your ear? 'Cause we sure can! Want to try something fresh and outstanding? Watch spectacular experiments, awesome pranks, and breathtaking crushing in slow-mo. Subscribe to Whoa Motion channel. Follow the link in the description. Hey, guys, look! This is a new game. I dare you to press on the button and see what happens. It's not working. Is it broken? The Wi-Fi's down? Fine, maybe next time. And what's that? Everyone gets a message with a task. So we have to do this? Looks like our I Dare You challenge is starting right now. Here's my task. It's a dare to buy plane tickets and fly to a random country. I guess I'm gonna go on an adventure. Well, let's go. I hope I have an amazing trip. We believe in you. Will you bring us back some souvenirs? Bye, friends. I hope I'll see you soon. Wish me luck. The plane is taking me somewhere unknown. I wonder if they have Starbucks there. A new challenge comes when you least expect it. I dare you. Lick a cactus. Who even came up with this? A botany teacher? I'll bring you a cactus. Ooh, this one will do. It's pretty sharp. Come on, Christy. Imagine it's ice cream, but Christy easily handles the task. It's like she licks cactuses for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I want to try it too. Ouch! How did you do it? This is way too dangerous for my soft tongue. Oh, I got a task too. I hope it won't injure me. I dare you to chew someone's hair. Get ready, Christy. Your hair will be my snack today. Ew, it's so disgusting. Now I need to wash my hair. And I need to forget this brunette flavor. Yuck! I can still smell his saliva. Please, go away. What a nice morning. Right up until I got my new task. I dare you to get bangs. Get ready, hair. We're coming. Christy fearlessly goes right to a hair salon. Say hi to your new bangs. Tin is watching his friend. Does she really have the guts to do it? There you go. Your bangs are done. Do you like my new hair? This is so heroic. Good job, Christy. Your bangs look great on you, Christy. I hope I'll get a nice task too. Oh no! I dare you to suck your lips with a vacuum cleaner. Why me? Your big yellow friend is waiting for you. Are you ready? This is going to be the most romantic kiss with a vacuum cleaner ever. That's enough. Wow, your lips are so plump. You pumped them with a vacuum cleaner. Oh no! Don't try this at home. Do you work in an office? That'll still work for our I Dare You challenge. I dare you to pour water on your head in front of the whole office and your boss. Oh no! A game is a game, just do it quick. What are you doing? This is an office, not a shower. Get out of here! New task! I dare you to kick a big, buff guy. And here's the suitable candidate. Hurry up! Oh, this is going to be the worst day of your life, buddy! Can you even run away from him now? At least I didn't chicken out, and bruises only make a man more attractive. No one wants to date a guy who's all beaten up. Hey, where are you going? But a new task comes just in time. I dare you to shave your friend. Why does this keep happening to me? Let's start our quiet shaving operation. Shh! The friend is sleeping and doesn't suspect anything. Phew! I'm doing great! Oh no! Please, don't wake up! What do they say? 2 bruises make a man even more attractive. What a cute date! But a message ruins everything. I dare you, touch your nose with your tongue. Aw, bye-bye, romance. This is surprising, but it turns out the guy is into it. They belong together. This is truly a match made in heaven. And here's Redhead. How was your trip? Great job! You can tell us later. For now, you have a new task. I dare you, attach eggs to your soles and walk. Oh, great! Eggs, check. Tape, check. Let's do it! What's your shoe size? 6? 1 egg will be enough. And now, go! You walk just like a chicken. Oh no! An accident happens right near the destination point. Aw man, now we have to wash the floor. And the friends got an invitation when the game is in full swing. What's this? Nothing is working. It froze. Mine works. Well, let's test how strong you are. I dare you to sniff some pepper and not sneeze. Easy! No one can resist black pepper. Alex is sneezing left and right. He failed the challenge. And here's the new task. I dare you, drink Coca-Cola in 30 seconds. I think this is an easy one. A bottle of Coke. And a timer. Let's go! Time flies, but Alex is faster. Come on, one more sip. Just a little more. Hurry up! Wow! Thank you for the Coke shower. You failed! I want to order the whole menu at this cafe. Hang on, don't forget about your challenge. You have to eat a raw potato. And now is the perfect time. Waitress, bring us a raw potato, please. And here's your lunch. Bon appetit! Oh no, my teeth! A raw potato demands strong teeth and character, but I can handle it. A fresh potato is a nice snack. The important thing is I'm not hungry anymore. And here's a new task. Hey, is this really for me? I dare you to put on makeup without a mirror. Oh no! Here, you can take all of my makeup. And where does this go? On your face, you silly boy. Use more. Don't be shy. You need foundation after primer. This is the perfect shade for you. Add shine to your eyes. Here's some eyeshadow. Beautiful! And the final touch, lip gloss. The scariest thing in a man's life is eyeliner. Let's get started. Do you like it? How about you ask your dad? He came in at the worst possible moment. Want to snack on apples? Don't rush, you have another task. I dare you to eat a piece of soap. Well, let's try. Apple-scented soap. Not bad. Oh no, I feel kinda sick. I need a vitamin pill. Phew, now I feel better. But don't try this task at home. Another challenge. It looks like it's for everyone. I dare you to have a pillow fight blindfolded. Who will last longest? Let's see. Let's take our soft weapons and get ready for battle. Let the war begin. Oh wow, we have a winner! Yay! I won the challenge! I'm the strongest out of all of you! Our game is over! Bummer! Did you like our challenge? Then comment below if you'd like to play the I Dare You game with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new funny games from Troom.